Hello, welcome to the Reviews of Wellness Products channel. Today we bring you a complete review about RestMind product, with all the information you need to know before making your purchase. In addition, I would like to highlight some important warnings throughout the video, so pay close attention to avoid mistakes when using or purchasing RestMind. First of all, it is crucial to be aware that RestMind is only available for purchase on the official website. Be careful when choosing where to purchase the product, as there are possible imitations on the market. To make it easier, we have left the direct link to the official website in the description below this video. Have you ever had trouble falling asleep after a long day at work? Or perhaps you have faced restless nights, with sleep running away from your eyes? Quality sleep is essential for our well-being and health, which is why we are here to present the perfect solution, RestMind, your natural sleep support. RestMind is formulated with selected natural ingredients to provide a peaceful and restorative night's sleep. Let's take a look at the components that make this product so effective. First, there are the cannabinoids, such as CBD, CBN, and CBC. These components work in harmony with our endocannabinoid system, which is involved in a number of important functions in the body, from neuronal development to energy balance. They help modulate perception, immune regulation, and even cardiovascular and reproductive functions. Besides cannabinoids, RestMind also contains MCT oil and terpenes. MCT oil is known for its beneficial properties for the brain and provides additional support for a calm and peaceful mind. Terpenes, on the other hand, are aromatic compounds found in plants, responsible for their characteristic smells and tastes. In RestMind, terpenes help release healthy neurotransmitters such as serotonin, promoting a sense of relaxation and well-being. By combining these natural ingredients, RestMind acts synergistically to relieve agitation, promote a sense of calm and relaxation, and allow you to experience a restful night's sleep once again. You will be amazed at the difference a quality night's sleep can make in your life. Best of all, RestMind is backed by over 100 scientific studies that prove the effectiveness of these ingredients in improving sleep quality. You can trust a natural solution, free of unwanted side effects. Mind Plus Body cares about your satisfaction and well-being, which is why they offer a 60-day money-back guarantee. If you are not completely satisfied with the results, just contact them and they will refund your money. That's how confident they are in the effectiveness of RestMind. Therefore, I decided to record this video in order to warn you about the importance of being careful when choosing the website to buy RestMind. Also, should you decide to purchase the product, it is essential that you follow the exact treatment and take it seriously. It is essential to keep in mind that results can vary significantly from person to person, as each body reacts in a unique way. I sincerely hope that this video was useful for you, and that RestMind really contributes to improving your life by providing several benefits. If you want to receive more content like this, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching this video, and until next time.